in this video I'm having a look at competitor analysis. Now this is one that's a little bit tricky to do distantly. In class we'd probably have a bunch of different things and we'd taste them and test them and describe them and talk about them, but we're just kind of doing it on paper for now, and we might just go back and do a taste test or comparison later on when we get back to school. Now we're comparing products. This is a really important step in your marketing process because you need to know why someone is going to buy your product. You really need to make a picture so in your head you know what is your point of difference, what is the thing that's going to make people go, yeah, I'll buy that. So we've got a couple of examples that you're going to work through today because I can't mark everything on your actual internal, obviously. So we're going to do this as a practice and then you're going to apply it to your own internal. So the practice hopefully wouldn't take you that long. It's the kind of thing we do in class. So let's have a look at it. So we've got some examples here in our booklet. We're comparing similar products or services. So we've got two examples. The first one, we're looking at chips. So if you're looking at a new item, so like making your juice drinks, then you compare it with the other ones on the market. So we've got some examples of chips here. We've got examples found out and what the company is, whether it's New Zealand owned, how they're distributed, how much you get in your pack, what the prices are. This one's a little bit old because we haven't got the price for those Kumara crisps. Then we've got what type of chip it is, and then there's some information about the ingredients. Now if you're looking through, you can see that these Kumara crisps have got their point of difference, and that they're talking about that it's a Kumara crisp, it's in boutique bars and cafes. I noticed that when I took my kids on the Quick Cat to have a look at the dolphins, that was the kind of chip that you could buy there because they sold that sort of slightly higher priced items, and then they're going for the natural, gluten-free, dairy-free, no MSG, made in sunflower oil, not canola oil, nice earthy pack, and it's New Zealand grown. So if you have a look at that, you can see those points of difference. We've got that one is aiming for the target market of going, well, we're healthier than everything else. Even though they are still thinly cut and deep fried, they're aiming for that approach. And so what you're going to do today, we're going to have a look for thrill seekers. There's an example here as well of having a look at what is the point of difference between these different activities in Queenstown. So you've got AJ Hackett Bungee, Alpine jet boating, which goes down the Kawara River, the River Rats, which is rafting, and then you've got skydiving. So they're quite different activities, but they're still competitors in the terms of if you are in Queenstown for 3 days and have a couple of thousand to spend, you only have to make a choice between these. You can't do all four unless you have a massive budget and a lot of time. So when you're going to have a look at these examples and you're going to work out why people would choose AJ Hackett, because we're looking as an advisor to them, what would be something that they need to do in terms of price or in terms of their event and their experience. What would you change to make it so more people would want to come? So I've got the PDF in your assignment and I've got a little sheet for you to fill in. I don't think it will take you very long, but remember, when we're talking about things like price, people will pay a little bit more. You don't have to be the cheapest item in the shop. People will pay extra if they know it is good. I've got a friend who will only buy Whittaker's chocolate because she likes the taste of it and she knows that it's a New Zealand company, so she will pay that extra for the item because it's something that she wants. You will pay extra if there is a good reason. So if it's a better quality, if it's got better ethics, or it's better for your body or something like that, you just know it works, you'd be more prepared to pay. So that's the little learning for today. So we need to compare things and we need to look and find out what the point of difference is and how we can make it work. Thank you.